Good evening, everybody. We are back again here in Paragon Metro for our second food demonstration that we're going to do using World Kitchen's Orbit Fryer, which is having its exclusive launch right here at Paragon Metro.
This time, we're going to come back with the Empire Strikes Back, second dish.
Alright, so the second dish that we're going to prepare is actually also festive dish, but usually at home you have a lot of leftover rice.
True.
Right? So during the festive you can do baked rice, the leftover turkey you can cut up into chunks. So we're going to prepare a festival turkey fried rice.
Turkey fried rice. Turkey is healthy.
Using the Orbit Fryer.
Okay, so that's something different because fried rice must keep frying it, otherwise it will stick together and be burnt, right? So let's check it out.
For this instance, I'm trying to not use a spatula at all.
Use hand.
No, I don't want to use hand also. Because this unit has an auto-rotating function. So I'm going to try to rotate it so that I'm not going to use a spatula for it.
We shall see.
We shall see. We shall see how it goes. Okay, so we on the equipment to it can do a control. And the multiple functions, we have stir fry, we have optional, we have sous vide, and we have a rice cooker. So we go for a stir fry, and we can set the timing to complete the entire cooking in 20 minutes.
So stir fry fried rice about 20 minutes.
Yes.
Okay.
And you can set your fire at small, medium, high heat.
So now we start with?
We start with medium
heat. Okay.
Okay, I'm really not going to use a spatula. Hopefully. Okay, we're going to add in a little bit of olive oil so that it heats up evenly.
Okay. Lots of onions.
Not all. I'm going to use just a little bit.
Then?
Okay, you see it heats up very fast. So we put in some minced garlic first.
Okay, minced garlic.
Okay, so minced garlic is in. I cannot use a spatula, right? Okay. Cannot use a spatula like.
Hey, cannot use spatula.
Spoon, this is the spoon.
Oh, like that.
I need to put in ingredients, you know.
Okay, can.
Okay, put in some chopped onions. Okay, maybe that's enough.
Five.
Okay, at this point of time, usually at home, you would have used a spatula. So instead of using a spatula, we turn on the rotating function.
Okay.
And then for everybody to see what's happening, we can tilt down.
Can tilt this side or this side?
I'm sorry, I can't tilt this side. I can only tilt this side. Because my camera is here.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah.
Okay.
My Mr. Handsome man is there.
Cameraman is there. Okay.
That's why I must show it to him. So you see, at this point of time, it's already helping you to toss. So I'm not using a spatula at all.
That's true.
And I can still chat with you.
Yeah, you chat 1 hour.
Then I turn on the high heat some more.
Wow.
I turn on high heat some more, right? Okay? It's quite small. It's quite compact. But then it has a capacity of 6 liters.
That's right.
Earlier on, we did about 2.2 kg of chicken
Plus
stew.
a lot more
Plus a lot of
other
vegetables and so on.
I think at the end of it, it looks like 4 kg kind of a festive chicken stew.
Yes. And you see, it helps you to cook nicely. Don't have to worry.
It's evenly brown out. So you don't see like you want to stir fry. Sometimes you stir fry the stuff yourself, you also realize that it might get burnt at certain part because that's where the flame is. So this is evenly spread out. Alright?
Okay. Then you can even turn it back. Put it back upright. Then you can put in your eggs.
Hotel use good eggs, organic eggs.
Yeah, organic eggs.
That's nice orange in color.
Okay, now I put in the eggs already. At this point of time, I must use spatula again.
Cannot.
But you don't let me use. So I have to tilt.
Okay.
And let it auto-rotate again.
Wow, this is interesting. You know, sometimes when you do like omelette, right, it sticks to the side of the pan itself. So this is exactly what happens right now. But at the same time, while it's stuck to the rest of the rim, is it no spatula?
Yeah, I'm just moving it, See, I'm just moving it so that it can turn properly. When it's stuck to the wall, you need to scrape it out, right?
I'm laughing at you already. See, no spatula.
Wait. You must scrape it out. See? Okay.
Oh, I know already. See, never use spatula to fry, right? So to just agitate it is fine, right?
Correct. just to move it away from the wall. You can see it's non-stick, easily gets moved out. Okay, at this point of time, we add in our turkey.
Hungry for those of you.
Our diced prawn.
Wow, seafood.
Diced prawn.
You still don't use spatula.
Oh, I need to stir first, upright, when it's upright.
I know, you just use it as a spoon, right?
The squid goes in.
Okay.
Okay, like that. 1 time, 2 times, okay, 3 times. Wow, you see, lots of turkey left over. I just do it a quick stir. You know, this is about 1 kg already, you know.
So
heavy.
3 other
Still
boxes
got rice
of
there, yeah. Okay, just to show you, at this gesture, still able to do it. Turning. Then we get ready our rice. These are leftover rice from yesterday. Okay, touch up. Well, you see, the ingredient is already a lot more than the rice. Because I was told today we are expecting a lot of guests, especially all the Metro special VIP guests.
That's right, because it's our exclusive sale day, and therefore we have a special demonstration. And that's why Chef Eric Neo is here. You see, he's so generous. Look at that, just ingredient only, right? Not including the rice. Every time we're gonna hear, we are here to feed the village.
Yes, we're here to feed the village. You see, 6-liter capacity, already close to 1.5 plus the rice, another 1.5.
This is what the box says. What's the capacity?
About 500 grams. Then I need to, this one I need to, no choice. I need to have to put it in so that it comes out nicely.
It's okay, you're captured on video. They will rewind, they hear what you say at the start. They hear what you say.
I didn't use what earlier.
I didn't use. Okay.
Wow, you see, another 500 grams goes in.
Oh, I know. Because, okay, this is still, spoon is still spatula, what?
Spatula and spoon different.
你讲的算了。
不一样的，不一样的。
不一样 ，OK 咯，不一样咯。I know pronunciation 不一样。Maybe the spatula is a Greek or French word, then this is English.
Okay, come back to fried rice.
Okay, come on, fried rice. Yes.
You see, wow, so evenly.
Wow, so nice.
And also, you must use cool rice. There, when this thing is rotating, you don't have to go around. I just have to stay at one spot. See?
Nice. That's also because of the technology we mentioned earlier. For those of you who just joined us, now this World Kitchen Orbit Fryer orbits, so it's rotating function. So if you are tired of frying, you just put your spatula there, it will rotate, so it's still moving the content. So that helps a lot because in the kitchen, when you need to do fry stuff like fry noodles or bee hoon, all this, that will help you a lot because if you really cook in the kitchen, you're very busy, you like to cook and prepare at the same time. So you see there's no open fire. That's why there's not much of a fire hazard at home when you use the World Kitchen Orbit Fryer. So there'll be no grease, and when you fry the fried rice, there's a lot of oil involved, and when you throw the ingredients in, there's splatters of oil. For this, there will be no splatter of oil. Once again, less smoke. We won't say there's no smoke totally, there's less smoke. So what it means that a more conducive kitchen to work in. So you don't feel like it's hot and it's the smell is lingering in the whole entire kitchen. It lingers on your clothes, it lingers on your hair. So this is one of the beauty for the World Kitchen Orbit Fryer.
Okay, it hasn't even had the lid that you are able to cover the monitor from the top.
Because this is transparent, right?
Correct.
You can see what's going on. Cover, tilt it back.
Right, yeah, but it has different levels. So when you have a big volume and you just want to scoop out everything, you can even tilt it to the last point, which I'll show you later on.
So up to 50 degrees of inclination.
Yeah.
Alright, so also high insulation efficiency. What we meant by that is there's a special internal coating, and also we have all the copper heating element right inside. So in a way, while it's rotating, the food gets to cook 360 degrees, even cooking. And also, not just space saver, less smoke. It's it's a better cleanliness for the kitchen, for me at least, when it goes to cleaning up.
Yeah. So now, while it's left about 9 minutes, I'm going to add in a little bit of soya sauce.
Okay, all the modern moms should opt for one.
Oh, see, now the fried rice is being cooked nicely, evenly in the orbit fryer.
That's right.
Then we're going to add our spring onion almost to the brim.
Yeah, this time it's almost, I think, 5 kg already. Because we have about
3 plus.
leaving a bit of space so that we can stir fry a little. Just bringing back the function for the work kitchen or big fryer. It does 4 functions, right? So namely, like stir fry is one of them, and we have sous vide, and earlier on we have stew. And other functions are like, you can cook your rice on it, and you can do the deep frying, but shallow deep frying. Yeah. So it's multifunctional. Just have one at home.
Wow.
Nice.
You look at it, just now when it was even in the ingredients, on the side we actually have this cutter. So when you're turning, the cutter actually helps to flip it. Yeah. You see there's cutter on the side. This cutter on the side. So now it's very full. So when I tilt it, right? So the cutter on the side actually helps to stir the items.
You will have to be tilted before you can do
Correct. That's right.
That's what I wanted.
Yeah.
You can put it
As the upright. Yeah. And the upright is still moving.
something like a washing machine.
So from here you see,
Almost
I can just at one point I just do the digging, they still turn at the same time.
Yes.
Festive, so we put a little bit of fine tomato on the side. A bit of chopped chives. Okay, that is our turkey fried rice.
Yes, turkey fried rice by Chef Eric Neo using the World Kitchen Orbit Fryer.